Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is parts of a computer. So the topic to be covered in this chapter are: first is our body parts, next is different parts of a computer, then working of a computer, and then last is IPO cycle. IPO means input, process and output. Okay, so students, see in this picture, that is body parts. Students, our body has many parts which perform different activities for us, like hands, legs, heads, eyes, ears, etc. Similarly, a computer also has parts that help it perform two different functions. A computer has 4 main parts. How many parts? 4 main parts. Which 4 main parts of a computer? See here. Monitor, CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Keyboard and mouse. All these parts of a computer are connected together by wires or cables to make them work as a complete system. The computer system works on electricity. Any single part of a computer cannot work alone. So now first parts of a computer, that is monitor. The monitor looks like a TV. It is an output device. Whatever we type through the keyboard appears on the monitor. It displays the words typed with the keyboard on the screen. We can see drawing and cartoons on the monitor. We can also do calculations and see the result on the monitor. It is also called as VDU. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. Okay. A colored monitor displays text and pictures in many colors. Other output devices are speaker, printer, projector, etc. Then move to the next parts of a computer, that is CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is a group of units within a cabinet. CPU is the most important parts of a computer. It also called as the brain of a computer. It controls all parts of a computer. A CPU is tower shaped. It receives data from the keyboard, processes it, and sends the output to the monitor. A CPU has its own memory to share the information. A hard disk drive stores information permanently. So everyone understand what is CPU and how does work on it? Okay, now move to the next topic, that is keyboard. A keyboard is a input device. It looks like a typewriter. It allows you to talk to the computer. It is used to enter information into the computer. It has many buttons on it. It is called as keys. There are mostly 104 keys on the standard keyboard. How many keys? 104. There are many keys on the keyboard. Some keys have numbers on them. These are called as number keys. Some keys have alphabet written on them. These are called as alphabet keys. There are some special keys like enter key, delete key, cursor control key or arrow key, etc. Now I will give some example of input device, that is mouse, scanner and microphone, etc. Now move to the next topic, that is mouse. A mouse is also input device. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. A wire or cable connects it to the CPU. That looks like a tail. As we move the mouse, an arrow which is called as mouse pointer appears on the screen. A mouse helps us to move the cursor on the screen and point or select any object. It helps in drawing pictures. It also helps in moving within a text. A mouse is a point-click device. It can be handled better when kept on the mouse pad. Okay. So now next picture see here, that is printer. Okay. Printer is an output device. It helps to print the work done on the computer. For example, letters, pictures or drawing. The printout is called the output, and we also called it hard copy. Now move to the another topic, that is IPO cycle. That means input, process and output cycle. Okay students, you are very familiar with the word in and out. Now it is important to know about input and output. Input, the things that is given to a machine to works on, is called as input. Now I give some example. See here, when you make mango shake, you put mango, sugar and milk in the mixer grinder. These things are called as input. Okay. Then see here, output means what? Output, the things which we get from machine after it works, are known as output. In the above example, the mango shake given by the mixer grinder is the output. There are some more inputs and outputs. See in this picture, here is input and outputs. Input like dirty clothes, washing machine, and output clean clothes. Next example C, input is petrol, car, and output energy for running car. That is the output. Okay students. Then see in this picture, what is processing? Processing means what? Processing means the action taken by the machine to work on input and change it into output is called as processing. That what is data? Data means the input given to the computer are known as data. Input device. See in this picture, that is IPO cycle. The computer works on IPO cycle. There are 3 steps, that is input, processing and output. So students, tell me, whatever I teach today, all are understand? I hope all are understand each and every topic. That is parts of a computer means our body parts, computer parts, working of a computer and IPO cycle.